Hello everyone, welcome back to the new episode of editing. And today I'm gonna show you something special. This is my own photo, I just edited it, and you can just copy the settings from here and you can go to next photo and just none other than other work, just go and paste the settings. It's very easy work. You can make your photo go awesome. For this I will put the link in the description for my photo. You can copy the link from there and you can go to the photo and just start your own editing. Look, this photo is not loaded because this is now you can paste the setting. Look, the photos go really awesome. Just guys, check it out. Stay tuned with my channel and please make sure to subscribe my channel. I will go with some more photos here. Look over here. Look, this photo just I have edited right now, and now we'll go for some more photos over here. This photo also, like, it is already in the forest. Now look this photo. Oh my god, it's crazy awesome, crazy. So you can just go and copy the settings and paste it over and over for all the photos. You can go it's very easy way to get your photo go awesome on Insta. Everyone try to put photos on Instagram and go viral. You can check it out and you can go for it. Guys, please make sure to subscribe my channel, like the video and share as much as you can. Thank you so much for watching my channel. Thank you so much everyone. Love you all.